Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation from year 2015 to year 2023, guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where the Powertrain Control Module relay is located, also known as just Powertrain relay. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test, guys, actually relays and fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So here we're going to demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine, guys, okay, it will be helpful as well. Let's explain which relay you need to check. This is the fuse box here. In order to open it, you press that notch and you start lifting up. The fuse box lid stays attached just like that. But now, guys, if you see on the back side right here, you have fuse numbers, relay numbers that correspond, that layout corresponds to what we have here. That makes it super convenient. Bad news, you don't know what they're for. So that's why we're making the video, to save you time and money. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the relay that you will need to check, guys, okay, specifically for that, if you come in that fuse box right here, okay, we're talking about that one right there. You have two relays. By the way, if you need to buy any relays at a good price, fuses, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we get them from. That relay right here, it's relay 82. That's a Powertrain Control Module relay. This one right there, guys, that you will need to check. If you want to see anything else specifically, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.